So let's solve this algorithm. So I'll be doing this algorithm in JavaScript, and the problem statement is push all the zero elements to the end of an array. So let's say we have an array with the elements 1, 0, 2, 20 or 10, 22, 0 and 5. So what the problem is saying that you have an array, and wherever you see 0 in all these element, take that 0, which means like take the 0 and put it in the end. So your final output should be, in this case, 1, 2, 10, 22, 5, 0, 0. So you can see here there are two zeros, which means we need to push these zeros to the end of the array. So let's see how to solve this problem. Okay, we need to create a function here. Let's say the function name is push all zeros, which have a parameter of array, and here we will be creating a loop, and loop will start, the I will be starting from array dot length -1. I should be greater than equal to 0, and I minus minus. So I'll explain you in a while what I'm doing here. So here the loop is going to start from the end of an array. So we have how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 elements. So end will be, so since the array index start from 0, so 7 minus 1 is 6, right? So if you see, this is the 0th index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th element is the last element in this array, and the loop will continue until and unless the element is greater than or equal to 0, and it will keep on decreasing. So what we need to check, that if array of I is equal to 0, then what we need to do here, we need to splice it out. So what we are going to splice is I comma 1. Then we are going to push 0, and finally after the loop end we are going to return the new array. So what I'm doing here, if you see, the 6th element is 5, right? It's not equal to 0, so nothing will happen. As soon as it will come to the 5th element, so you can see the condition satisfy, and so it comes inside it, and it will splice. What it do, it takes two arguments. The first argument is the starting index. Starting index is the index where we found 0, and then second argument is the how many element we want to splice it out. So here we want to splice just one element, so this 0 will be removed from here, and the new array will be 1, 0, 2, 10, 22, 5. And then in the next line I'm pushing zeros, so this 0 will come here and it will get removed like this. Okay, so it will keep on it will keep on going to the next element until it reaches 1, the zeroth element, and after that it will this loop will terminate and it will return array. Now let's run this function. Push all 0 and pass the array that we have made on top. Let's run this and check the output. So here you can see the output is 1, 2, 10, 22, 5, 0, 0, which is the desired output. Thank you very much. I'll be creating more coding videos, algorithm and data structures, as well as in future I'll be creating on React.js and Angular and different framework, as well as in the Node.js. A lot of things that I'm planning it out. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.